Hello and welcome to yesterday's tech. Today I am cleaning an old cooling fan, and if usually for this process we used to disassemble the cooler, this one from Foxconn cannot be disassembled under the sticker. Of course, firstly I am removing the dust with a cotton wool pad. Once this is done, I pull the fan just a bit and I add some mechanical lubricant oil. I won't add too much because it will be thrown out, but if there's a bit too much, I can clean it later. Now one more finishing with the cotton wool pad and this is done. My cooling fan is now good to go for another couple of years. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.